To set your own photo collection as your call background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap call background. Next, tap background icon at the bottom of the screen. Under gallery section, select the desired photo from your gallery that you want to use as call background. And then tap set as call background. By doing this, when you make or receive calls, the selected photo will be shown as the call background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.